Hi everyone, it's Anita and Ron from Altro, and we're bringing you a series of short videos detailing the best practice guide for floors and walls. So in other words, what to look out for when signing off a job.
Hi everybody, well today we're going to be looking at the application of mastic around the perimeters of Altro white rock.
Okay Ron, so what are we looking at here?
Well, what you're looking at here is a before and after shot of the sealant being applied to a ceiling and wall joint. This is showing a deep gap between the ceiling and the wall sheet.
And why is this bad?
Well, it's going to take a lot of mastic to cover up that huge gap, as you can see on the right hand image, and aesthetically it doesn't look good. It's a good idea to look out for thick mastic when you're signing off an installation, as it could indicate the cover up of a massive gap, potentially not cut properly, which is the case in this image here, or because the room's not been planned correctly. It's also likely to foul, which could allow the ingress of dirt, bacteria, bugs and infestation.
That's a great explanation, Ron. So let's have a look at what best practice would look like.
Sure, I mean this demonstrates a great before and after of the sealant being applied. It has the recommended 3mm gap between the joints and it shows neatly sealed mastic.
So besides it obviously looking better, what are the other benefits?
Well, due to the minimal 3mm gap and the thin, neatly mastic edge, the joint is less likely to foul, which will prevent the ingress of dirt, bacteria, bugs and infestation.
That's great, Ron. So let's just do a quick recap of the two images side by side.
Right, okay, you can clearly see the image on the right shows the best practice for mastic around the perimeter of Altro white rock. As we just explained, due to the minimal 3mm gap and the thin, neat mastic edge, the joint is less likely to foul, which will prevent the ingress of dirt, bacteria, bugs and infestation. And although we've just been looking at a ceiling example, this best practice should be applied to walls, floors, doors, as well as ceilings.
That's great, Ron. We hope you found this best practice guide to mastic around the perimeters of Altro white rock useful. To keep up to date with the rest of our best practice guide videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can also view many of our other useful hints and tips. Thanks for watching.
Thanks everybody, look forward to seeing you again soon.